Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to join two files based on a key and write all matching records. In addition, write unmatched records from one file. Here we have two files, two items file 1 and items file 2. Since there are two files, we have two input DD names, sort join F1, sort join F2. We are not going to sort any data. That's the reason we have given sort fields equal to copy. So whatever files you are going to join, you have to use join keys. So write the keywords join keys files equal to F1. Whatever you are given here should be the suffix in the DD name. And the key in this file should be mentioned here. You can write either ascending order or descending order. So this is the first file. We are going to join this file with this file based on what? These keys. Let me show the file first. Let's open this file. Let's see both the files. So this is file 1. It's an items file. We have 3 columns: item number, item description and brand name. 1,5 character is item number. In second file, let's see the second file. We have item number, quantity and unit price. Again, even in this file, item number is in starting position 1 with the length of 5. So this is a unique identifier with which we are going to match both these files. So let me open the first file. We have item number, item description and brand name 1,5. This can be in any order, doesn't matter. It could be either scrambled or in ascending order or descending order. So what we are going to do, we are going to match these two files and write all matching records and unmatched records from file F1. If you see this file, we have item number with prefix 1 and item number with prefix 3 and 2. And I have created the next file. All the item numbers with prefix 1 and 2 are in second file also. So we have item number 1 as prefix and item number 2 as prefix. But these 3 items are not present in first file. And if you see the first file, we have all the item numbers with prefix 3 are not present in file 2. So these are unmatched records from file 1. And if you see the second file, what are those unmatched records? All the items with prefix 5 are unmatched records. We are going to join these two files, and the join criteria is given here. So what is the unique key? The unique key is given here. And if you add this additional parameter, join unpaired F1, what does it mean is, it is going to bring all unmatched records from file F1. Okay, we are going to join these two files based on primary key and write all matching records and bring unmatched records. If you write this keyword join unpaired F1, it is going to bring unmatched records from file F1 to the output. And what are the fields we are going to copy? We are going to give here. So this is for the first file. We are going to bring 1,43 from file 1 to the output file, and we are going to copy 7,37 from file F2 to the output file. Okay, what is 1,43 and 7,37? Let's see here. So here, if you open the first file, I'll give columns. So 1,43 is up to this. And in second file, we are copying 7,37. Let me put calls 7,37. Okay, up to this. Okay, number of bytes. So we are copying quantity and description from second file. From the first file, we are going to copy item number, description and brand name. And remember, we are going to get these 5 unmatched records in output file also, because we are going to copy. We are given a keyword join unpaired F1. So it's like a left outer join in a DB2 table. So let's submit this. So it ran fine. Max is equal to 0. Let me open this file. So we have all matching records from both the files with prefix items with prefix 1 and 2. In addition, we are having all unmatched items from file F1 also in the output. If I write F2 here, it will bring all unmatched records from file F2 to the output. So let's delete this file. I'm going to delete this file. Let me submit this. So this is like a right outer join. So it brings all the matching records and whatever is left over on the right hand side file. But we haven't copied the item number, that's why it is not shown here. We have copied only from 7th, quantity and description. So you can reformat whatever you want, you can reformat accordingly. You can reformat in such a way, you can bring item number also. We gave 1,737, it brings item numbers in output file also. So this is how we can copy matching records and additional records which are unmatched records from both the files. Hope you understood how to use join keys to like a left outer join and right outer join. Thanks for watching this video.